Hello beautiful people, welcome to part 13 of my step-by-step tutorials. In this video, I'll be showing you how I apply my lips to make sure they look plump and full. Now, I know I don't have the worst lips. They're there. They're good. They're good size. I like my lips. But I can still make them a little bit more full and plump without using plumpers, just by the way you line it and what you use. So first off, let me show you how I line them. I'm going to be using MAC's Whirl lip liner. Make sure your lip liner is sharp and make sure you have some sort of lip balm or something on your lips to get this to glide smoothly. I just put on some sort of chapstick or something. Okay, I'm sorry I have a little bit of upper lip hair. Please don't judge me. Okay, I try and make sure there's no makeup on my actual lip. I'm going to start from the outside and connect that. Trying to keep the lip line straight and kind of curve out. I just go a little bit above my lip. Now, I have a pretty harsh line right here that I can't get away with going any further up, otherwise you can see it through the lip product. But if you do have one of those like faded lips or this line just isn't as defined, you can get away with doing it all the way up there, but I suggest just doing it like a couple millimeters above your actual lip line, like that. So now same thing for this side. Just gonna start by just lining your actual lip and then bring it up. And some people do like to make it straight in between their cupid's bow. I don't love that look, but if you do and you don't have a very defined cupid's bow, that's the thing, you really have to look at how defined your lips are. If they aren't very defined, you can get away with a lot of shapes and lining it a little bit farther up. But if it is defined, you kind of have to stay within those lines or, you know, just above those lines. Okay, now for the bottom. I'm actually gonna start from the middle for the bottom. And I'm gonna go like this so I can see the line and go right underneath it, like right underneath it. Like that. And I'm just gonna try and keep this lip line straight. So starting there, and then I would say go to about like here, like just the middle third of your lip, keep it under, and then line your actual lip. And now that this is on, I do like to just kind of spread it out a little bit. I'll just use my finger. Quick tip, which you might already know, grab a concealer brush, concealer on it or not, and just kind of clean up those edges. If they're looking rough, just like that. The real trick to having plump and full lips is just lip gloss. Matte lips are not gonna give you that like pouty look as much as lip gloss will. I will just show you the difference. So this is my lips. They're pretty good, but I'm gonna go on with, so actually, I haven't told you guys yet, but I'm coming out with my own makeup brand, skincare brand, but I'm starting with lip glosses, and there's a special ingredient in them that's super duper good for your skin, and I don't want to give away too much yet, but I will be dropping these lip glosses soon. So I'm gonna make some videos on that and let you guys know, you know, dates and stuff, but they smell so good and they are so beautiful and feel so good on your lips. So enough promoting myself. Let me show. Real quick, I just want to say how not sticky these lip glosses are. Look at this difference. Also, using lip gloss will hide any definition line that you do see. So if you have like a mini one and you can still see it, the lip gloss will kind of create an illusion where you can't really see that line anymore. So just keep that lip gloss on hand. But yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I will answer them for you. If you've been here since part 1, thank you for sticking around. Hopefully you're subscribed by now, but if you're not, it's cool. It would be cooler if you were, but it's all good. If you want to turn my notifications on, click that bell icon. I'm going to be posting a lot more. I'm super excited. I have so much stuff coming at you guys. If you're new and this is the first video that you've watched, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope all of you lovely, beautiful people have a great day or night wherever you are. And hopefully I'll see you in my next videos.